Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about how we save money in your car maintenance, and which are important, and we do conjuicy where we are not supposed to do. Number one, tires. Tires are very, very important in your car. The entire car runs in the tire. Your safety, your family safety is all on the tires. The durability of the tire, the longevity of the tire, and the safety of yours and your family is on tires. But what we do is, to save some money, when we want to change the tires, we go for China tires or lower brand tires. Basically, we should look at the tires. You're going to use it for 2 years or 3 years, at least 40 to 60,000 kilometers you'll use. So buy a good, perfect tires for your car. Look at the durability, the longevity of the tire, and don't look at 1,200 rupees saving. And also, whenever you fill, make sure you fill nitrogen gas, so where your tires long run will go, and as well as be safer for you. Then people, whenever we go for servicing, they ask you to change brake pads. So we get from upmarket, brake pads are 3,000 to 4,000 or 5,000. We try to save there by another 1,000, 2,000, buy an upmarket brake pads and give it to the workshop and get it done. That is also very important, and for your safety and for your braking. Then we use, while cleaning, you appoint a watchman or someone who cleans the car every day. But you give him weekly once he uses a shampoo, and you give him a chick shampoo or some shampoo which he uses for you and clean the car. Will you use rinse soap to wash your face? No. Same way, car paint has to be protected and has to be, have a longer duration. The shine should be good. So there are car shampoos available in the market which will cost you little more than the surf or shampoo you are using. So make sure you buy car shampoo specially made for maintaining the cars. The glare, the glossy of the car retains the same. Then we use normal, used banyan cloth for cleaning, or some soft sari for cleaning the car from outside or inside. My suggestion is, please buy microfiber cloth, double or single, and one for a glass for cleaning the glasses, one for your body. This will help you to not get small grains and scratches in your paint, and as well as the car looks new. There's another thing which I want to tell is that we buy a 20-30,000 car, 20-30 lakhs car or 10 lakhs car, but whenever you drive on highway or anywhere, the tire pressure increases when you go on highway with long journey. So you have to reduce the tire pressure and see that you are driving safe. So buy a tire inflator, which comes in 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. Please make sure this is available in your car for your safety, and you can, wherever you are on a highway or a city, you can check your tire pressure and maintain the tire pressure, so your family and you are all safe. So to save some money of 1,000, 200, 500, don't go for low qualities and don't maintain your car properly. This is my input for all the car users. Enjoy driving, happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.